Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of November 19th, 2024, our system has categorized Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of approximately 6.47% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 12 days ago. This results in an average return of about 0.54% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates our system foresees significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest information, we cannot ascertain the stock's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The stock has broken through the weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of ascent. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the ceiling of the current trend, which was breached at $242.45. This level may present a second opportunity for an upward move. According to fan theory, $258.78 will be the next potential peak, posing a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The ongoing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 5.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 2.23% to 4.84%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 32.48% change over the coming year, with a potential return between 12% and 42.04%. This translates to a price range of $272.21 to $345.21 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Apple stock after gaining approximately 123 thousandths of a percent. The Apple stock price increased by approximately 123 thousandths of a percent on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024. The price rose from $243.01 to $243.04. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if it experiences a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1%, ranging from a low of $242.13 to a high of $244.54. The stock has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.13% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, resulting in a total of 35 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.60 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early indicator of potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reach was $244.54, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 0.61%, or $1.50, below the 52-week high of $244.54, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. has made significant waves in the market today, with its stock hitting an all-time high, reflecting continued investor confidence. This surge highlights Apple's resilience in a challenging tech landscape, particularly as Microsoft struggles to keep pace with major competitors. In addition to this upward momentum, Apple is investing $1 billion in a new manufacturing facility in Indonesia. This strategic move is aimed at complying with local regulations that require a substantial portion of domestically sold smartphones to be manufactured from locally sourced parts. This investment not only positions Apple favorably in a key market, but also helps mitigate supply chain risks. Furthermore, excitement surrounding the growth of Major League Soccer subscriptions through Apple, bolstered by superstar Lionel Messi's presence, signals potential boosts in digital engagement and revenue streams. This intertwines with broader trends where technology and sports intersect, further strengthening Apple's position in the entertainment sector. As the broader context shifts, news of OPEC Plus delaying the revival of its oil production could influence investor sentiment, indirectly affecting tech stocks, including Apple, by altering economic forecasts and inflation expectations. In the short term, these developments are likely to support Apple's stock price, driven by positive sentiment and strategic investments. Long term, the implications of successful production expansion and increased subscriber engagement in new markets may further solidify Apple's growth trajectory in a competitive landscape, reinforcing its position among the tech giants. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple a rating of outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, UBS rated Apple as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies also gave Apple a rating of hold with a hold action. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, Wedbush rated Apple as outperform with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, KeyBank assigned Apple a rating of underweight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is anticipated at $239.37 and $230.85. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 9.47%. Further increases are likely until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Despite price gains, trading volume declined during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. The stock exhibited a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, within the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often associated with substantial and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 23 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 13 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 139 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Apple. Apple has established support at $232.87, a threshold that may present a buying opportunity, as we could anticipate an upward reaction when this level is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is classified as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.41, representing a movement of 1% between its highest and lowest points. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This reflects a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing performance or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.36. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Levinson Arthur D. conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Condo Chris conducted an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.231. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $232.20, representing a decline of 4.46%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 22 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, which means holding or accumulating shares while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we anticipate that Apple will open at approximately 19 cents higher, starting trading at $243.24. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. and it is essential to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.